Hello presentation people, you're here because you want to improve your pitching skills and especially your online pitching skills. Because the world has changed and now pitching to a camera, pitching to someone through a video conference is the new normal. So the best way to improve is by practicing. So in today's workshop we give you 2 opportunities to practice with a partner your 30-second elevator pitch. So we're going to put you in a Zoom breakout room for 7 minutes. And in this 7 minutes, we ask you to do 6 things. The first is to give a 30-second elevator pitch. The second is to listen to someone's 30-second elevator pitch. The third is to do a self-assessment using the criteria we give you. The fourth is to do a peer evaluation. The 5th thing we want you to do is to share the feedback of your observation of the other person's pitch. What did they do great? What could be improved? And the 6th and final thing we want you to do is to choose a piece of feedback and use that as your goal for future improvement. How can you improve your presentation skills? It could be the way you smile, it could be the speed at which you speak, it could be how you use your hands, how you stand, the message you share. Whatever piece of feedback you feel is realistic to help you start improving now. Because you never know when your next interview, your next conference, your next elevator pitch will be. It could be face-to-face, it could be online. And we want you to enjoy these opportunities, and that's why you're here at this workshop. So practice makes perfect. This is a zero risk environment. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So please embrace these breakout room opportunities, engage, work with your partner, be polite, be kind, listen and share so you can both grow and learn. So thank you very much for joining this workshop. We hope you enjoy your future presentations.